Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Anyway, so in this bowl we've got everything for the meatballs. So we've got 500 grams, which is a pound of ground mince, but any ground meat will be fine, minced meat will be fine. I've got, ground lamb. Then I've got 75 grams, which is about 2.5–3 ounces of almond meal, but you could use breadcrumbs if you prefer. And then 100 grams of feta that I've just broken up with my knife into little shards, but you could dice it if you prefer. And then I've got half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, just a tiny bit of salt, and I've just mixed that round in with my hands like this. And then just so that it's all evenly distributed. And then I get the fun job of rolling out the meatballs. So you want about a tablespoon, and of course with clean hands, and just pop them on a tray. I've lined my tray with baking paper, just because it looks prettier and it's easier to clean up, but you could just pop it in a tray. And then I'm just going to pop them in the oven, so really hot oven, 250C, which is about 480F, for like 12 to 15 minutes. Like, they're going to cook really quickly. Great, so meatballs have actually had about 15 minutes because I forgot to set the timer. So they're looking beautifully brown and cooked through. I haven't stirred them or anything, that's just how they are. You will see there's quite a bit of juice that's come out of them. So some of that's fat because the lamb is quite fatty, and then some of it is just like the juice from the meat. So if you like, you can drain that off and not use it. I really like it. I think it's really delicious, and that lamb fat, I've got good organic grass-fed lamb here, so I'm happy to eat it, and I think it just goes really well with the hummus. But of course, if you're a bit fat phobic, you're welcome to drain it off. So now I'm just going to serve them on a bed of hummus and with some fresh parsley green leaves for greenness, and they're good to go. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.